Hey guys, we're Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we'll be discussing a confession style track like Malaa. So the confession label is just a crossover between bass house and tech house. So we'll be going over the breakdown, the build up, the drop bass, the leads, all that stuff. So the final result will sound something like this. So besides that, all the sounds we'll be using are coming from the pack Bass House from 6. If you want to make Bass House, it's the pack you need, so check it out in the link down below. So without further ado, let's straight dive into the breakdown. So first on the tempo set at 125 BPM. Then I dropped in this vocal from the pack. We'll be using this one. With those motherfucking bloody ass shoes. It's typical G-House vocals, so first gonna add a Reese bass to the vocal. So it's like a preset from the pack. So we'll be using this preset. So we're working in G minor, so the first one gonna be G, of course. Sounding like this. Then go down and back to the F. So then to make it more interesting, we're gonna automate the wash out. So create an animation clip and just let it open up sometimes. Just a bit at random, going up and down, sounding like this. Just making the Reese bass a little bit more unique. So now we're gonna layer the bass. We'll be using this preset from the pack, sounding like this. Just copy over the MIDI. So now we're gonna mix it. So then I want to make it more interesting. It already sounds quite dope, but I think we could use a little bit more. So I have this preset from an unreleased pack. So if you want a project, check the page here and you can find the project and the preset over there. So it's linked down below as well. Preset sounds like this. Actually, it was made as a pad, but we're gonna use it as a lead sound. So again, we're working in G minor. So I want to make a Dom Dollar kind of style lead. So go up to the D sharp. So basically going from the 6th to the 5th. Sounds quite dope, but we're gonna make a variation with it. So we're going to the 3rd note and the 7th, sounding like this. So the breakdown is almost done, but we only need to put it up with some more fixed ambiances, just to give a final edge to it. So I added these ambient sounds. So altogether, the breakdown sounds like this. She is killing all the boys in the hood with those motherfucking bloody ass shoes. She is killing all the boys in the hood with those motherfucking bloody ass shoes. So now it's time to make a build up. So we copied over all the effects to the build up. It's gonna be an 8-bar build up. We're also gonna copy over the vocal. Then we're gonna add a steady note to the Reese bass. And make the animation open up during the build up. We're also gonna automate the pitch. So create automation with the pitch bend. Just like this. So then we're gonna add a build-up loop from the pack, so we'll be using this fourth build-up loop. Drop it in. We're also gonna make sure to get rid of the low end during the build-up. So we're gonna automate it out just like this. So I think that's all for the build-up, so altogether it sounds like this. So now we're gonna make a drop. First we're gonna make drums, then a bass, then a lead. So let's start off with the drums. We'll be using these samples. So I started off with a kick and clap. Then I added this groove clap to it. Slightly off the grid as well. So then it's time to add the hi-hats to it. With an open hat. Layered with this one. Then I added a closed hat. Just before the open hat. And after. Sounding like this. So then I wanted to add more grooves to it, so I added this percussion snare. Just at the end of every bar. Of the grid as well. Sounding like this. Just a lot of swing to it. So then at the last section of the drums, I added even more swing drums to it, so I added this loop. And it's right. Altogether sounding like this. So now it's time to dive into the most important part of the bass house track, the bass. So let's select a preset from the pack. We'll be using this one. So now we're gonna make a melody. We're working in G minor, so let's start off on the G. Then go to the dissonant note for more energy. Down to the 7th. Then just do fast notes. Going up to the 3rd note. That's dope, so copy it over and add some variation to it. Just remove the last note. Altogether sounding like this. So I changed up the distortion of the preset a little bit. I wanted to add some downsample to it. Just like this. Just to add a spark to it. So now we're gonna mix it. So that's it for the bass. Now we're gonna make the lead sounds. So now we're gonna dive into the lead sounds. We'll be using this preset for the first one. It's kinda UK-ish sound. So just copy over the MIDI from the bass and paste it. Sounding like this. So now we're gonna mix it. Together with the bass, sounding like this. So now we're gonna add this other lead sound, this one. It's a percussive one, so just play a steady note with it. And the second part, we're gonna bump it up an octave. Sounding like this. So just automate it. So the automation sounds like this. and really fills up the track. So that's it for the lead sounds. I think we're quite done. So we got the bass, the drums, the leads, all that stuff, the vocals. So that's it for the video. We're gonna listen to the final result in a minute. So besides that, if you like the video, please leave a like. To see more, hit that subscribe button. And the final result sounds like this.
She is killing all the boys in the hood with those motherfucking bloody ass shoes. She is killing all the boys in the